Yo, what up guys? So we're doing a little bit of a 240 refresh update, something we probably should have done the first time around. Apparently there's like a bunch of stuff that was loose. Yeah, Charles is a bit sick right now, so.
The more and more that I drove it, the louder all these noises got. So I pulled it in today, even though I'm sick as a dog, and realized underneath.
Yeah, okay, alright. So that little carrier right there was actually missing the bolt. It still is missing a bolt. So we went and picked up some bolts for that. I was making like a bunch of rattling noises and stuff. And then also right here, transmission mount is also missing a bolt. Exhaust is sturdy, still really good. Yeah, right now we're kind of just going over this, making sure everything's good, because you know obviously we want to drift it. So weather is a bit wet out, which means it's peak drift conditions for open diff single cam 240. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing right now. Just getting everything pieced together, making sure this car is solid before we send it, bro.
Yeah, check this out. Notice it's smelling like fuel. And this whole like feed clamp is loose.
Oh yeah, underneath the filter there, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, no clamp on that line, so that could be an issue in the future. Luckily we caught everything before Charles died. That's always good. What'd you just say?
Going viral.
Stay tuned to DIFF mixtape coming out.
Oh yeah, yo, okay, another update here, guys. Look what I just picked up for the Supra. Damn. There it is, guys, TRD wing. So we're gonna be test fitting this, I don't know when, but basically I have a lot of plans for this. Like I said, I'm gonna be building my own center blade piece. So this whole area, I didn't bother getting like the carbon fiber one or anything, because I'm gonna be making the center out of carbon fiber, and then the sides and the stands will just be painted and everything. So stay tuned for that, guys. Infamous carbon fiber center blades. We're gonna make them for a couple different cars to start. TRD wing on the Supra, GTR wing for R33, and then we're gonna make one for Devon's Civic, so all you 8th gen guys can get the center blade as well. And then from there we're gonna be branching out to a bunch of other cars and a bunch of other parts as well. Oh, Charles just put wipers in, yo! Perfect, I was just saying it's raining. Yeah, how are these?
I think they're alright.
Not too bad.
No streaks.
Yeah. No, seriously, that's not bad. Okay, also, yeah. We got some, like you guys saw, we got rust killer for all the A-pillar rust areas. So we're gonna be killing that rust and then like repairing it. Swapping the windshield, probably in the spring though, because it's not worth it to do it in winter.
Is it though? Because this is just gonna get worse and worse and worse.
But if we kill the rust and then like seal it, like even if we just put primer over it or something, like black for now.
I think we should put another coat of that stuff on.
Yeah, for sure. Well, we gotta sand it all down and then put it on. So expose it, kill it, seal it, and then yeah, like I said, my boy Frank's gonna hook us up with a windshield in the spring. Hey, look at this like intake mount Charles made for it. Put a nice bolt through there too. That's solid, man. That's ready for sliding. Pretty sure I got all the bolts down low, torqued up. Pretty sure it's good enough for me, so let's send it.
We have drift strut bar.
Oh, true. Yeah. Let's put that on. Stiffen up the chassis.
Yeah.
Strut bar on there. We're gonna paint it later and get it all like a nice
Slut bar?
Slut bar.
Slut bar?
Slut bars.
Drift slut bar?
What is it? Oh yeah, thanks man. What? Sorry bro. What?
Fuck the album,
Fuck
man.
you looking at? Lowering springs for the 240?
It's for a Civic.
You mean a 240? The rear's a good height, we just need it on the front. So I guess this is like first official drift attempt. Like let's try to get this thing sideways, man.
How did you do that? I think we're just gonna go too close to them when they come back. Scope the place out a bit first.
Yeah, scope it out.
It's way too busy. There's someone in that truck.
Busy with what though?
Last time there's a guy in his truck.
240 gets down, yo. You just feel the open diff struggling.
Yeah, you wanna try?
Yo, try to get a little more speed. There we go, there we go. Oh.
It's hard with no power steering.
Yeah, seriously.
Lots of like kickback. Oh, I fucked up my back.
Yo, let's get some outside shots.
Here, you try. See the wheels just hopping. Dude, right on, man. Is that not? Just kidding. You got the wipers going and everything.
What's that noise, yo?
It's probably the exhaust leak. Just ticking. Wanna rev it up?
What's that?
Rev it a bit. It's fine, man.
240.
240, dude, that was sick though. You could tell, you could see the wheels like bouncing and shit.
Yeah.
Coilovers would do this thing wonders.
Yo, it feels really sloppy, but like...
Yeah, the suspension is garbage in this
I was
thing.
like starting to get used to the weight a little bit.
Is it hard with like without power steering?
Yeah.
It is, yeah. It's just because of that flick, right? Like I really had to e-brake it because I couldn't flick it very fast.
It's ticking like a mother now though. What is that?
Yo, can I try to do a burnout in it?
Should we let Devin do a burnout in the 240? Throw a thumbs up if you want to see Devin do his first burnout in a 240.
Fuck yeah.
Let's go put gas in this thing.
Yeah.
Let's see if that ticking goes away.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah, quick video for you guys here. Thanks for watching.
I've never like sent the car that hard.
Really?
Like I ripped the e-brake like a good like 10-12 times, man.
It's funny when you rip the e-brake, you can see the wheels like...
It needs a welded diff and some coilovers for sure.
Those will like totally change how the car feels.
Yeah, dude. It'll make it a lot more like controllable.
Yeah.
Like I felt like I was just throwing the weight around.
Yeah.
And not really like gaining anything.
So, yeah, it's so sloppy, like...
Yeah. Yeah, it's literally what it feels like. Oh. Tunnel pull. Dude, it definitely gets down though. Like, I can feel it's gonna be a fun car to like drift once we get the hang of it.
It's like on asphalt right now too. Wait till it's snowy.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna
Good
be
little
like the
practice.
Sims all winter.
It will, man. Yeah. And then we'll have like a good feel for the car come spring. We can take it to RMDC.
I think we've done enough driving on the sim over the summer to warrant like a full winter's worth of driving.
Yeah. Yo, I tried a second gear at the start there. Like, I just tried going like really fast and ripping the e-brake and see what happened.
Yeah.
And
Were you first for the rest of it?
yeah, the rest of it was first. But that first like when I pulled away from you guys, that was second gear. I've never drifted a car like that fast. I just kind of want to try it, see what happens. It's literally the purpose of this 240 is just so we can try things that we've never done before. Yeah, yo, ticking's gone. That's good. But now we got a headlight out for some reason. Yo, yeah, you guys can see like just how bouncy the 240 is in that video. It needs coilovers really, really badly. And then yeah, welded diff is a must because that open diff is just like really limiting. You gotta be going a little bit faster, I think. Not bad, dude. Yeah, regular light for the win. Nothing's confirmed yet, but this might not be the only single cam 4-sill in the fleet. 2 NA 4-sill single cam. So yeah, leave your guesses below, like what you think we may or may not be picking up. There she is, safe and sound, still not ticking, which is a good sign. It's a very good sign.
I think that was just ticks of excitement.
Yeah, it just hasn't been drifted in a while. Ticks of excitement. 240's getting a little excited.